same, and I'm left to discover on my own. It seems like everything is gray and there's no color to behold. They say it's over and I'm fine again. Yeah. Try to stay sober, feels like I'm dying. Yeah. And I